Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 19. Good morning guys. So today I'm going to be making the boys just some waffles and a piece of fruit. Maybe some strawberries on the side. And that's it. Quick, easy, and simple like I always say. But let's get right into the video. Hey guys, so today's Vlogmas day 19. The boys for breakfast is just going to have some waffles, some yogurt, some whole milk yogurt, some strawberries, and then a little bit of syrup on the side. Very little. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and just make them a quick breakfast, let them eat, and get a little situated for the morning, get some activities done for them to do. So stay tuned. So they're gonna do really quickly some ornament decorating. I have 3 ornaments here. Zion's asleep right now, so he won't be able to just do it. But I'll save it for him for later. And just some stickers for them to stick on. Real simple, quick and easy, and just keep them busy for a little bit before they drop me. Here's how you do it. You take one. Take your ornament. Take the white paper off. And you can take this, Tyler, and you stick it on. Okay, Jeremiah? And that's how you start decorating. Okay?
What happened?
So you're gonna hang it up. You wanna hang it right here? Here, hang it right here. Good job. All done. Let it go. Let it go. Nice. So this is Kaiser's ornament here. And he's all done. So cute. Gave the tree a little color. And he has the green and the red gems.
I got green. 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 I got red. I got green. I got green. I got green. I got green.
Good. Show us your ornament now. Show us the ornament.
Green and green and green and green.
Okay, now show it to us, baby.
Red, 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 red.
All right, let's find the spot for it. Where you want to hang it at?
I'm gonna hang it. That's so done. He's so cute.
Yours is too. Where you gonna hang yours at?
I'm gonna hang it
Right here.
Oh, did. I did it!
Beautiful.
I got red, green.
Okay.
Jingle bell,